Hey, if you want to get better at something, the only formula to the success is consistency. They say keep doing it, keep moving forward. In English is an international business language, and if you want to become successful on an internet world, be it any walk of life, starting with freelancing, moving down to blogging, social media marketing, YouTube, digital products, you name it and you have it. The thing is, consistency matters by far a long way, and it's actually at the top of on the forefront of all the soft skills that you may want to learn if you want to become successful online. Now the thing is, we the people from South Asia, since English is not our first language. By the way, English is an international business language, and it's a prerequisite if you want to excel online. So we the people from South Asia, since English is not our first language, we find it a little difficult, little hard, sometimes an alienate sort of like language that doesn't, help us in excelling online. The good news is it's a soft skill and you can learn it. I mean, it's just a language. Spend your time in learning this language and you'll become successful. Now, for this, we've got a group on Facebook whose description is given, whose link is given in the description of the video. Go on, click on that link, join that closed Facebook group. I assure you, if you are a male or female, it doesn't matter. Gender is irrespective when it comes to internet. But if you want to learn English, if you want to learn written as well as spoken English, this group could help you a lot. Personally monitored by me, I go through every video. I record my videos over there as well, and consistency is the key. Look at me. As a freelancer who has achieved quite a success on freelance marketplace called Guru.com, as a social media marketer, as a social media influencer, as a blogger at beingguru.com, as a YouTuber, look, the only thing that I paid a lot of attention to was consistency. And if you want to learn a soft skill, if you want to learn a language, if you want to learn a computer skill, consistency is the key. In this group, what we do is everybody picks up their smartphone, turns on their cam, and they record a video. And other group members, they encourage, and sometimes they point out the mistakes as well. Now, again, the idea is not to discourage people and point out their mistakes, but the idea is to tell them that consistency is the key. That's what I've been trying to brag about for the last 3 odd minutes. Over a period of time, if you keep on doing something regularly, you get better at it. Somebody once asked Warren Buffett, one of the most profound investors in the US, one of the top 5 richest men on planet Earth, what is one advice you would like to give to younger people? And he said that if there's one advice I could ever give to younger people, that would be work on their communication skills, oral as well as written English, written communication skills, oral communication skills that help you go places in life. Who's stopping you, folks? So click on the link in the description. I see you in the group, hopefully, and I would be more than happy if you record a video. For female who do not want to appear on camera, maybe you can put your phone down and turn the cam on, show us your roof ceiling. It doesn't matter, but what matters is show the confidence and speak. First day you'll laugh at yourself, but when you keep on doing it, consistency is the key. People will acknowledge you for who you are, and you'll feel a lot of difference in from your first video and then your later videos. So keep on doing it. I see you on the other side, and I look forward to your participation. The link is given in the description of the video. Thank you.